Hello everyone. Welcome to the daily current affairs session by Ekam IAS. Today we are dealing with the current affairs of 14th November 2018 and the topics are LEAP, ARPIT, 5Ds, Exercise Indra 2018, Tradition Knowledge for Conservation, and in map aided program we will be dealing with Atish Temple of Baku and PQR session. So let's move on to our first topic, that is LEAP and ARPIT. Why this came in news? Because the Ministry of Human Resource Development launched two initiatives, that is LEAP and ARPIT. LEAP stands for Leadership for Academician Program and ARPIT stands for Annual Refresher Program in Teaching. And these two programs were launched at New Delhi. So about the news. These initiatives are set to transform the quality of teaching and improve leaders, thereby enhancing the quality of higher education institutions. First we can look about LEAP. LEAP stands for Leadership of Academician Program. It's a 3 weeks flagship leadership development training program. So among these 3 weeks, 2 weeks are deployed for domestic and 1 week for foreign training. It is for second level academic functionaries in public funded higher education institutions. So the main objective is to prepare second tier academic heads who are potentially likely to assume leadership roles in future. The implementation of the LEAP program will be through 15 NIRF top ranked Indian institutions, and the foreign universities identified for the training are also within the top 100 in the world global rankings. Next we can look about ARPIT. ARPIT stands for Annual Refresher Program in Teaching. This ARPIT is a major and unique initiative of online professional development of 15 lakh higher education faculty using the massive open online platform Swayam. In this program, 75 discipline-specific institutions have been identified and notified as National Resource Centers in the first phase. So, it tasks to prepare online training material which focus on latest developments in the disciple and emerging trends. Next point is the NRCs are expected to cater to around 13 lakh faculty of the total 15 lakh faculty in higher education. Next topic is regarding the 5Ds. Why this came in news? Because scientists are excited to find the deepest point in the ocean. So the mission is 5Deep mission. It was aborted to be launched in December. So about the 5Deep mission, it's a submarine mission and it is going to explore the bottom of each of the world's oceans. So in this mission, it is the first time that people are going to travel to the bottom of each of the world sea. Its first upon the 5-dive trip will be to the Atlantic Ocean, that is Puerto Rican Trench, that is the deepest point in the Atlantic Ocean. And this mission is done through Triton 36,000 deep sea submarine. The deepest part of the ocean is called the Challenger Deep, and it is located beneath the Western Pacific Ocean in the southern end of Mariana Trench. These are the 5 deeps. The Puerto Rico Trench in Atlantic Ocean, Java Trench in Indian Ocean, Challenger Deep in Pacific Ocean, Molloy Deep in Arctic Ocean, and South Sandwich Trench in Southern Ocean. This is the map. In that we can see the 5 oceans and its major deeps. Next topic is Exercise Indra 2018. So Exercise Indra 2018, it's the joint military exercise between India and Russia on combating insurgency under the aegis of United Nations. So this Exercise Indra 2018 is about to be conducted from 18th November 2018. So about the news, that is, this Exercise Indra 2018 is to be conducted at Wabina Field Firing Ranges of Uttar Pradesh. It is the 10th exercise in the series of exercise Intra. It aimed at interoperability between the Indian and Russian armies for joint tactical level operation in the peacekeeping. So our next topic is traditional knowledge for conservation. Why this came in news? Because the Sanctuary Nature Foundation Mud on Boots project is mining for traditional knowledge for vulture conservation. In next slides, we will be dealing with Sanctuary Nature Foundation and Mud on Boots. So, what is the aim of this project actually? This project is trying to understand the decline of vulture population in the Nilgiris. So, researchers are documenting traditional environment knowledge held by the indigenous tribal communities. So, this program encourages villager elder people to walk into the forest along with the children so that this knowledge can be passed on. So, first we can look upon Sanctuary Nature Foundation. It is a non-government private company. It is involved in legal, accounting, bookkeeping and auditing activities, and it also engages with tax consultancy, market research and public opinion polling, business and management consultancy. So, next is about Mud on Boot project. This Mud on Boot project is designed to empower and support the grassroots conservations in India. It has selected 12 field conservationists to lead project across the country. Each project leader will be allocated 3 lakhs rupees for around a span of 2 years of conservation work. They will be allocated 3 lakh rupees. This is the tribe and conservation tradition knowledge help, the 2 charts. So, in that you can see Irula tribe, Muduvan, Kadar, Kani, Adi, Toda and Malasar and Solinga or Sholaga tribes. So, all these indigenous tribes helps one way or other way in conservation of this traditional knowledge. So, about Irula tribe, they helps in vulture conservation in Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. Then Muduban and Kada, these 2 tribes, they helped the British to identify the best valleys and hill slopes in Annamalai mountains for tea and coffee plantation. Then Kani tribe, it helps in the identification of only tree crab of the Western Ghats. Then Adi tribe, it helps in the soil conservation in northeast. Then about Toda tribe, it helps in shola cum grassland conservation. Next is the Malasa tribe. It helps in traditional custom of wild tuber harvesting. And next is the Sholiga or Sholaga tribe. That it helps in the traditional control of invasive lantana in Biligiri and Rangaswamy Hills Wildlife Sanctuary in southern Karnataka. Next we move on to map aided program. In that we will be dealing with Atish temple of Baku. Why this came in news? Because the External Affairs Minister paid homage at the Temple of Fire Atish in Baku. It is located in Azerbaijan, and this temple, it was actually used as a Hindu, Sikh and Zoroastrian place of worship in ancient times. We can look some points regarding the temple. So, this Atish temple of Baku, it is a castle-like religious temple in Baku. It is located in Azerbaijan. It is often called the Fire Temple of Baku. The temple was used as a Hindu, Sikh and Zoroastrian place of worship. This region fell along one of the many prominent trade routes connecting Indian subcontinent to the west through Central Asia. Then there are 14 Sanskrit, 2 Punjabi and 1 Persian inscription in the temple. And this temple, it was listed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1998. Next is our prelims question revision series. In that, we will be dealing with one question from environment. So the question is, with reference to the wetlands of India, consider the following statements. The country's total geographical area under the category of wetland is recorded more in Gujarat as compared to other states. That is the first option. So, second option is, in India, the total geographical area of coastal wetlands is larger than that of inland wetlands. So, which of the following statement given is or are correct? A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. So, considering the wetlands of India, India has got a huge wealth of wetland ecosystem, and Gujarat has one of the largest wetland covers in the country. Out of 10 million hectares of wetlands in India, 3 million hectares are in Gujarat alone. So, our first option is correct. Most of the wetlands in India are directly or indirectly linked with major river systems such as Ganges, Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari, Tapi, etc. So, India has totally 27,000 more than wetlands, and out of this wetlands, 23,000 more than wetlands are inland type of wetlands, and only up to 4,000 wetlands are coastal wetlands. So, option 2 is wrong. So, the answer is A. A means 1 only. 1 only. The country's total geographical area under the category of wetland is recorded more in Gujarat as compared to other states. That option is correct. That's all for today's session. Thank you for watching.